Hello world, my name is CRT Monitor, and today I will be talking about protein synthesis. Well, me and a friend of mine, but I'll start. Games, music, bugs. Shall we start? Okay, protein synthesis, here we go. Protein synthesis is the process by which cells make new proteins. And the goal of protein synthesis is to create new proteins from the genetic structure of the DNA. As you can see in the picture in the background, the process of protein synthesis is happening. Now it's time for us to go over the steps of protein synthesis, which are transcription and translation. Transcription is the first step of protein synthesis. Transcription is when the DNA is transcribed into mRNA, or messenger RNA. Messenger RNA is the single-stranded molecule that carries the instructions of the DNA to the ribosomes. However, in order for the transcription process to take place, the DNA needs to untwist into single strands. The enzyme that makes this possible is DNA helicase. After that, the enzyme RNA polymerase comes through and complements the sequence of nucleotides present in the DNA, creating messenger RNA. The nucleotides on DNA are thymine, adenine, guanine, and cytosine. Thymine complements adenine, and guanine complements cytosine. However, on the mRNA molecule, instead of thymine, we have uracil. Pay attention to these nucleotides because they will be useful in translation. However, before we continue, it's time for me to introduce that special friend of mine. Get out here, Ethernet splitter.
Alright, let's just get this over with. Now on to the second step of protein synthesis. Translation. Translation is the step of protein synthesis, where mRNA leaves the nucleus and goes to the ribosome. When at the ribosome, the rRNA, ribosomal RNA, holds the mRNA strand attached to the ribosome. After that, tRNA, transfer RNA, transfers the proper amino acid to the ribosome based on the conorm present.
And now it's time for the presenter to present his part. And with that, we now have a fully formed protein. We did it. We made it through protein synthesis. See you guys next time.